Hello everyone. In this video, we shall be understanding about divisibility tests. Now, why these are important to understand? Let us take one example. Suppose somebody asked you whether this number 7, 8, 9, 4, 8, 5, any number you can take. I am taking this number 7, 8, 9, 4, 8, 5, 0, 2, 4, 5, 4, 8. Now see, this is such a large number and somebody is asking that within 5 seconds give your answer whether this is divisible by 4, whether it is divisible by 8, whether it is divisible by 2. Then what some students will do, they will start dividing this number by 4 and it will take much time for division, and some students, they can do mistakes also. So avoid these problems, there is actually solution, that is divisibility tests. Using these tests, within seconds you can give answers whether this number is divisible by 4 or by 8 or by 2. So let us understand how to check divisibility by any number. Let us start. First we shall understand divisibility tests by 2, 5 or 10. Now divisibility test by 2, very simple and easy. If unit digit of any number, now what does this mean? Unit digit means last digit of the number. Unit digit means last digit of the number. If unit digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. Very simple method. Now let us understand by taking one example. Here I have taken one example. This number is given 2,46,878. Now let us check what is unit digit here. Unit digit means last digit, that is ones place digit. Here it is 8. Now let us check whether it is in this list or not. We can see 8 is there in the list. So what I will write here, unit digit is equal to 8 and this is in the list. So we shall write yes, this number is divisible by 2. I hope divisibility by 2 is clear to you. For better understanding, let us take one more example. Suppose somebody is asking whether 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, any number you can take, 0, 5. This number 34,57,805. Is it divisible by 2? What I will do, I will see unit digit. Unit digit is 5 and 5 is not in the list, so I will say no, it is not divisible by 2. But see, please write carefully, give answer carefully in exam in this manner. I hope now it is clear to you. After understanding divisibility by 2, we shall understand how to check divisibility by 5. Again, method will be same, but there will be difference between the numbers. If the unit digit of any number is 5 or 0, here we have to see only 5 or 0, then that number is divisible by 5. Example I have taken here, number is 78,970. What is unit digit? Unit digit is last digit, that is 0, and 0 is in the list, yes, so I will say yes, this number is divisible by 5. Now let us take one more example just for better understanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. And somebody is asking whether it is divisible by 5 or not. What I will check? I will check unit digit, that is last digit, which is 8. 8 is not in the list, so we shall say no, it is not divisible by 5. I hope divisibility by 5 is also clear to you. For any suggestion, you are always welcome. Next we shall understand how to check divisibility by 10. Again, same method, but list of numbers will be different. If unit digit of any number is only 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Example I have taken here, 53,470. Here we can see unit digit is 0 and 0 is there in the list of only one number. unit digit is 0, so yes, this number is divisible by 10. Now for better understanding, let us take one more example. Suppose a number is 7382, means 7382. Now what is the unit digit here? 2, and 2 is not there in the list, so we shall say that no, it is not divisible by 10. I hope all the 3 divisibility rules are clear to you. For any suggestion, you are always welcome, and for any doubt also you can consult. Thank you so much.